Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today my husband and I are actually separating all our quarters into different categories. I actually put all the quarters into rows, the dimes and the nickels as well, and the pennies we just put them up in a jar, and a few extra coins that we didn't have rolls for anymore. So yeah, all these coins I wanted to save them for Disney whenever we went, but realistically speaking, it's still far away and we still have time to save. So I asked my husband if we could do something more productive with them. So we are gonna pay some debt or some bills at least with all this money. I'm not sure how much it is. We didn't count it. So yeah, we have a machine that we had bought a few years ago, and we couldn't get it to work. It was missing batteries, and then we put batteries on it and I'm not sure what happened, so I had to do all this manually. And do not mind my nasty nails. I haven't had time to do them, but I will do them soon, I promise. So yeah, you guys, today I also wanted to talk to you guys and just give you guys a little bit of word of motivation. So I'm actually waiting for the rain to pass to be able to get out, because I was driving and I came to wherever I was going, and I need this rain to stop completely so I can get off, because I did not bring an umbrella. But yeah, I thought of making this video and editing meanwhile. So the word of motivation is just my thoughts. I don't have anything written down, but I just want to encourage you guys to keep going, whatever you guys are doing. And if you feel like quitting, do not quit. It might seem like it is not, the road is too long and you don't see the light, but I promise you will see the light soon. Whatever you are facing, whatever your problems are, whether you are facing any financial struggles, any relationship struggles, any illness that you are going through, nothing is forever. And in this journey, I have learned that nothing is forever, whether it's pain, whether it's happiness, everything has an end. But the good thing is that every day we have an opportunity to make the best out of this life, to wake up and set up our goals, work on our dreams, and help others. Because ultimately, at the end of the day, we might have a lot of things, we might have a lot of money saved up, a lot of things and everything, but if we do not have our family, if we don't have the people that we love, if we don't have people that we actually care for and help, then everything else is just a waste of time. So yeah, just enjoy the moment. Wherever season you might be going through, just think that it is only temporary, and it is a stepping stone to reach your next goal. And that could be not necessarily something good. It could be something bad too, a setback, whether you lost your job, if you are anything going on. Just see it as an opportunity to come out stronger. Because I always think that whenever you hit rock bottom, and whenever you realize that you are struggling in life and that you can't go any more low, that is the time where you are gonna rise, because you cannot go lower than that. So you can only work, and you can only go up, and that is the good thing. So sometimes our struggles, are opportunities to make a stop to our life and see what is going on, what kind of decisions have led us to what we're living right now. Because every decision has a consequence, whether it's direct or indirect. So I invite you to look at all the decisions that actually led you to where you are at. And instead of don't look at all your bad choices as bad things. Instead, look at them as opportunities to make things right. So instead of dreading on the past, instead see what went wrong and then learn from it and do things right this time. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys that a little bit of encouragement about not giving up, because not giving up is so powerful. Or if you fall, get back up. Take a few moments, take a few minutes to dread on whatever you need to dread, to cry about the pain. But you know what? Dust dust off the dirt and get back up and get back to working. Set up your goals, meet new people, whatever you need to do to keep going, do it, because it is worth it. I promise you that at the end of the day, at the end of the road, there is always light, and you are about to find out. But if you quit, then you're not gonna see it, and if you stay where you're at, then you're not gonna be able to see what this world has to offer you. So I invite you to look a different perspective right now, whether you're going through different things. I know it's not easy, I know it's hard. Take a moment to acknowledge that. By the way, there's gonna be a giveaway and it's gonna be related to this video, so please subscribe and activate your notifications so you don't miss it. I hope you guys like my words of encouragement. I hope you guys have a blessed night, and see you guys on the next video.